Hello students, in present video I am going to explain about 18th problem from triple column cash book topic. I am taking this question from Telangana State Telugu Academy Inter First Year Accountancy Textbook. But this video is useful to all commerce students who want to know about this topic. So previous videos links are available in the description box. This is triple column cash book. We can also call it as 3-column cash book. Otherwise cash book with discount, cash and bank columns. All are same. So even though we wrote cash book, format is account format. So debit side and credit side. Debit side you have date column, particulars, LF number, ledger folio number, discount allowed, cash and bank. Credit side also same. Only the difference is instead of discount allowed, discount received column. In this table, at a time we are going to prepare these two accounts, cash account and bank account. And discount column is a memorandum column. In previous problems, clearly I explained about this memorandum column, discount column. As 3 amount columns we have for discount, cash and bank, this table is known as triple column cash book. In question, starting 2 sentences are there, no? Cash at bank, cash in hand. These two are known as opening balances. So cash in hand means what? So this book is prepared by the firm. In firm's cash box, so the cash balance on the starting date of the month is known as cash in hand. This is an asset. So asset shows a debit balance, no? Therefore opening cash balance always we have to write on debit side. Second sentence is cash at bank, no? For bank, how he gave? Cash at bank in brackets DR, debit. So means this is also favorable bank balance. He is clearly saying that this is a debit balance. So debit bank balance means cash at bank. Means we have money in the bank. So this is also favorable bank balance. So debit side only we should show. And the remaining sentences are known as transactions. So to record the transactions in triple column cash book, there are 2 methods. First one is journal entries method. So for every transaction, there will be one journal entry. We should think that journal entry, and that journal entry we should post in the triple column cash book. Second method is hints method. So in present video, I am going to explain this second method, hints method. See here, cash account, bank account we are preparing now. So cash account is a real account because cash means asset, no? What is real account rule? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So in firm's books we are preparing this book. To the firm, if cash is coming, debit side cash column we should write. From the firm, if cash is going, credit side cash column we should write. So for cash column, remember this hint. Then for bank column, so we have money in our bank account. Because of a transaction, suppose our bank balance is increased. Assume that we deposited money into bank. So because of this transaction, bank balance increases now. When bank balance is increasing, debit side bank column, we should write that. Suppose from bank account we withdrew money. So from the bank we are withdrawing the money. So bank balance decreases now. If bank balance decreases, credit side bank column we should write the transaction. So for cash column, if cash is coming into the firm, debit side. If cash is going from the firm, credit side. For bank column the hint is because of a transaction. If our bank balance is increasing, debit side bank column. If bank balance is decreasing, credit side bank column. So first opening balances we will write. I have written 18th problem on the board. 2019 April 1st, cash in hand 5,600, cash at bank 10,500. In brackets DR symbol is given. Debit symbol means it is an asset. So cash at bank is also an asset, no? Assets on debit side we should show. 1st April 2019. For opening balance, you have to write 2 balance brought down. In cash column 5,600 In bank column, 10,500. Remaining are transactions. Now, what is the rule for transaction? For cash, if cash is coming into the firm, debit side cash column. If cash is going from the firm, credit side cash column. For bank, because of a bank transaction, if our bank balance is increasing, debit side bank column. If bank balance is decreasing, credit side bank column. Cash deposited into bank. So this is contra entry because two sides, bank and cash columns, are affected here. So for contra entry, first amounts we should write now. Cash deposited into bank 1500. We are firm. We deposited money into bank. Cash is going. So credit side cash column 1500. As this is contra entry, in LF number column you have to write C. Date is 4th April 2019. We are depositing money into bank. So bank balance increases. So debit side bank column 1500 rupees. In LF number C, date is 4th April. And in particulars column what to write? We wrote amount in bank column now, so we should write cash. If you write amount in cash column, we should write bank. So in bank column we wrote, therefore in particulars column to cash account. Credit side, in cash column we wrote the amount. So here we have to write by bank account. If you write the amount in bank column, here you have to write by cash account. Next, 6th date. Cash sales 2100. What we are selling? Not given in the question. Means we sold goods. And for cash we sold. So from customer cash is coming and the goods are going. Cash is coming. So debit side cash column. 6th date 2100 rupees. In cash column. When goods are sold, in particulars column we have to write to sales account. Next, commission paid through Paytm 1200 rupees. So we have to pay commission to somebody. Instead of giving cash, instead of issuing a check, we paid that amount through a Paytm. So our bank account is linked with Paytm now. So what happens? From our bank account, money will be deducted and in receiver's bank account it will be deposited. So from our bank account money is deducted. Means bank balance decreases. So credit side bank column. 10th date 1200 rupees in bank column. What to write in particulars column? Commission paid through Paytm. Here expenditure name is commission. No? That commission word we should write by commission account. Next, 13th date. Received cash from Rajesh 4600. Discount allowed 400. So from Rajesh we have to receive 5000 rupees. As a final settlement we received 4600 rupees. So we allowed a discount of 400 and we received this amount in the form of cash. No? Cash column is affected. Cash is coming into the firm. So debit side cash column. 13th date. From Rajesh we are receiving. So here write down to Rajesh account. In discount column 400 rupees. In cash column 4600. Next, 15th date. Issued check to Shekhar 2500. Discount received 200. So here firm has to pay 2700 rupees to Shekhar. In full settlement, firm paid 2500. So 200 is discount received. We paid this through a check. Means we issued a check to Shekhar. So Shekhar goes to our bank, he presents that check and he takes the money. Then our bank balance decreases. Bank balance decrease means credit side. 15th date 2500 in bank column. In discount column 200 rupees. We issued this check to Shekhar no? So write down by Shekhar account. Continuation I have written here. 18th date purchases 2600. What we purchased? There is no information. Then the meaning is we purchased goods. how we purchased, supplier's name is not given. Means for cash we purchased. So when we purchase goods from supplier for cash, from supplier goods are coming and from the firm cash is going. Cash is going. So credit side cash column now. 18th day 2600 rupees. In cash column, we purchased goods. When we sold goods, we are writing to sales account. When we purchase goods, we have to write by purchases account. 23rd day, cash withdrawn from bank for office use 600. Sometimes he may give this as cash withdrawn from bank 600. Both are same. So this is contra entry. When it is not a contra, suppose he has given like this, cash withdrawn from bank for personal use, then it is not a contra. So for office use, when we withdraw the money from the bank, money is coming into the firm. Therefore, this is a contra. Contra entry 2 times we should write now. On 23rd day, cash is coming into the firm. When cash is coming, debit side cash column we should write. As this is contra entry in LF number column C. In cash column we are writing. So what to write here? To bank account. 23rd date. And from the bank we withdrew the money. So bank balance decreases now. Then credit side bank column also we should write this. Contra entry. In bank column we wrote. So what to write here? By cash account. Date is 23rd. Next, 25th day, sold furniture 3200. Observe the difference. On 6th date, cash sales 2100 is given now. Here, we sold goods because nothing is given. But here, we sold furniture. Furniture, machinery, land, building, these are fixed assets now. When fixed assets are sold, how to record that? Here, to whom we are selling, that the buyer's name is not given. So the meaning is we sold for cash. So we sold furniture for cash. From the firm, furniture is going and from buyer, cash is coming. Cash is coming. So debit side now. 25th date, 3200 in cash column. 25th date. And what to write in particulars column. When goods are sold, we wrote sales word. When fixed asset is sold, we should write that fixed asset name. Furniture is sold now. So write down to furniture account. For purchases also same rule is applicable. If goods are purchased, we have to write purchase word. If any fixed asset is purchased, that asset name we should write. Next, 30 date. Check received from Vaibhav 7500, discount allowed 100 rupees and check deposited into bank. So what is the meaning of this? From Vaibhav, firm has to receive 7600 rupees. As a full settlement, Vaibhav issued a check for 7500. So 7500 worth the check is coming. 100 rupees discount allowed. And when check is coming to us, we have to observe an important point. That is, this check in our bank account when we are depositing. Actually speaking, we should go to Vaibhav's bank. We should present the check there and we should take the money. But we are running business now. So daily so many checks come to us. To all those banks we cannot go. So what is the other option? We can deposit that check in our bank account. So we deposited that check into our bank account on the same day. Then our assumption is on the same day our bank collected money from Vaibhav's bank and it was deposited in our bank account. So bank balance is increased. Bank balance increase means debit side bank column now. Amount is 7500 rupees. Discount allowed 100 rupees. 30 date. From whom we received this check? Vaibhav. So write down that. To Vaibhav account. With this, All transactions posting is completed. Next step is balancing. Discount columns we should not balance because these are memorandum columns now. Simply we have to put the totals. Debit total 500, credit discount column total 200 rupees. Cash column and bank column, you have to find out the balances. For cash, debit column total is 16,100. Debit column total 16,100. Credit column total is 4,100. Difference 12,000 rupees. Credit column total is less. So credit side we should write this amount. 12,000 rupees in credit side of cash column. For this what to write? Date is last date of the month. In April month last date is 30 no? For answer we have to write by balance carried down. Two sides total, highest total. Debit total is more 16,100. Debit side and credit side. Now come to bank column. Debit total is 19,500. Credit total is 4,300. Difference 15,200. Credit total is less. So credit side we should write this 15,200 in bank column. Two sides highest total, debit total 19,500. Credit side also same. As you are a student, only for the month of April they have given the transactions. But when you really work in any organization, next month also you have to continue this book now. So next month is May. In April month, on the last date, we have some balances. This balance we have to consider for May month. Therefore, credit side amounts we should bring to debit. In cash column, 12,000 rupees. In bank column, 15,200 rupees. Date is next immediate date of this date. If today's date is 30 April, tomorrow 1st May, we are bringing the balance now. So write down to balance brought down. So what is the meaning of these two answers? On starting date of the month, in the firm, we have 5,600 cash balance. During this April month, we received 2,100, 4,600, 600, 3,200. So total receipts for April month is 16,100 rupees. And from this amount, we paid 1,500 rupees, 2,600 rupees. So at the end of the month, with us, 12,000 should be there. So when physically you count the cash, that amount should be 12,000 rupees. Then what is the meaning of this bank column answer? On starting date of the month, in our bank account, we have 10,500 rupees favorable bank balance. During the month, we deposited 1,500 and 7,500. So from this total deposit amount, we withdrew 1,200 rupees, 2,500 and 600. So on the last date of the month, with us 15,200 rupees there. Our bank balance as per cash book is 15,200. So bank also maintains our accounts now. So they give this bank balance details in passbook. So on that date, on 30 April, we have to compare the bank balances as per cash book and as per passbook. As per passbook also on 30 April, if bank balance is 15,200, then no problem. But generally these two amounts differ. Then we should find the reasons for that and whether all these reasons are located or not. So to know that, as a cross check, we have to prepare bank reconciliation statement. That is another lesson for us. So this is the end of present video, 18th problem from triple column cash book topic. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.